How to install apps from unknown sources on Android. This tutorial shows you how to enable the permission so you can install apps outside the Play Store. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, tap Apps. After that, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Special Access. At this point, tap Install Unknown Apps from the list of options. From here, you'll see a list of apps that are capable of installing other apps, like your browser or a file manager. Tap on the specific app you plan to use for the install, like Chrome if you're downloading the file from the browser. Following this, toggle on Allow from this source for that app. After that, you can go ahead and download or open the APK file you want to install, and your device will now let it proceed without blocking it. Keep in mind that only enabling this for the specific app you trust is safer than turning it on broadly, since it limits which sources can install apps on your device. That's how you install apps from unknown sources on Android. If this was helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then.